Sometimes I make sure to show it to you, each and every single time we meet, even though it might seem a bit repetitive, but... Hello kids, today we're going to share toys from the Rescue Babies series. This is Chong Chong Lu and his number 1 fire truck. The fire truck's ladder can be extended and retracted. All the equipment can be placed on top. At the back of the fire truck, there's a little button. Let's press it. The whole compartment opens up. You can put small cars inside. This is Sweet Bunny and her number 2 medical vehicle. The medical vehicle is shaped like a bunny and there's a carrot on the side. So cute. On top, there's a radar that can rotate 360 degrees. It can also be adjusted up and down. Open the driver's seat. Put Sweet Bunny inside. Sweet Bunny is already seated. At the back of the car compartment, there's also a little button. Press it. This is Meng Meng Elephant and his number 3 construction vehicle. Let's open the driver's seat first. Put Meng Meng Elephant inside. Meng Meng Elephant is all set. Close the car door. Its crane arm can move too. On this side, you can also attach the battering ram. At the back, there's also a little mechanism you can open. The construction vehicle can drive in both directions. The front part controls the crane arm, and we can turn the driver's seat around. This side is for controlling the direction of the battering ram. This is Doodoo Eagle and his impressive whirlwind machine, Somasato. If you take a close look at the overall design, it is basically a high-speed plane, but the nose is quite special. It is uniquely shaped just like a little bird. We can easily put Doodoo right inside the cockpit. Close the cockpit door tightly. There are wheels underneath, so this plane can also move around, right? The propellers on both sides of the whirlwind machine can also spin. At the back of the plane, there's also an ejection door. They also have a special feature. You can mix and match the parts however you like. Let's take it apart first. Now let's put it together again. Then attach the ladder. Doesn't this design look really unique? Alright, that's it for today's Rescue Buddies toy session. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.